Well, in Ames, Iowa, and we're at our hotel, and we're going to be leaving a little bit later. We're going to let the rain pass. We're in no real big hurry. But here at this hotel, this is Home 2 by Hilton. They installed these Tesla Universal wall connectors. I'm still plugged in, but it's already reached 100%. So typically you just, the Tesla one, you just pull out the NACS. Let's get it there. But if you need the J1772, there's a little latch right here. And then you got the J1772, which is what I'm using. And this charging here is free. So let's back up here. Here we go. You can see there's 2 bays here. These are all brand new. This hotel is actually pretty new. So, Home 2 Suites by Hilton in Ames, Iowa.